Welcome to the Dell Boomi Associate Developer Certification Overview. Think of this as your golden ticket to proving your expertise in cloud integration. This certification boosts your career while letting you flex your Boomi muscles. We'll cover what it takes to earn this credential, the skills you'll validate, and of course, a peek at the prerequisites, because sadly, you can't just waltz in and get certified. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Let's dive into the Dell Boomi platform, your all-in-one solution for seamless integrations. Whether it's applications, data, or B2B, Boomi's got you covered. It's low-code, which means you won't be pulling your hair out over complex development. And the best part, it scales effortlessly while keeping things secure, because nobody likes surprises in their integrations. Every successful Boomi developer needs a solid foundation. We're talking integration fundamentals, designing Boomi processes, managing connectors, and tackling those pesky issues that pop up now and then. Mastering these skills means fewer headaches down the road, and hey, who doesn't love a smooth workflow? Welcome to the AtomSphere UI, your command center for all things Boomi. You'll manage integrations, tweak settings, and monitor processes like a pro. Think of it as the cockpit of a jet. You're in control, making sure everything runs smoothly. Just don't try to take off without understanding the basics first. Documents in Boomi are like puzzle pieces. You need to know how they fit together. We'll cover formats, transformations, and properties, making sure you don't end up scratching your head over lost data. And with tracking features, you can finally stop playing detectives. Connectors are the backbone of Boomi integrations. They link everything together. We'll explore different types, setting them up, and making sure authentication doesn't trip you up. Because let's be honest, there's nothing worse than a failed connection when you're in the middle of a workflow. Building a Boomi process isn't just about connecting dots. It's about designing workflows that make sense. We'll break down components, logical flows, error handling, and performance tuning. Because an integration process that performs well means fewer frustrated developers. Admin tasks may not sound glamorous, but they're essential. We're talking user management, runtime settings, scheduling, and monitoring. If you want to keep things running without sudden surprises, mastering these features is your best bet. Troubleshooting is an art. Finding the culprit behind failed processes is like solving a mystery. We'll talk about common errors, log analysis, error handling, and validation techniques. It's all about keeping your integrations stress-free. Understanding the exam structure is key to your success. In this slide, I'll walk you through the exam sections, the number of questions, and how long you have to complete it. We'll also discuss how scoring works and what you need to pass. No complicated jargon, I promise. Just the essentials wrapped with a little humor to make it stick. Practice makes progress, and this section focuses on how you can master the art of answering. We'll look at the types of practice questions and discuss strategies to tackle them with finesse. Plus, we'll chat about why mock tests are like superhero training. They prepare you for anything. The general knowledge section might sound like a trivia game, but it's much more strategic. In this slide, I'll share the topics covered, why they matter, and tips to get prepped. Think of this as adding a little sparkle to your brain. It's as fun as it is practical. A troubleshooting integration is like being a tech detective. In this section, I'll introduce you to common issues, practical solutions, and the skills you'll need to ace it. Plus, I'll point out some amazing tools that are your trusty magnifying glass to find those sneaky errors. Elective courses are where the fun meets function. They allow you to tailor your expertise. In this slide, we'll explore the course options, discuss why electives matter, and review how to choose the best fit. And yes, enrolling is easier than picking toppings for your pizza. Certification opens doors you didn't even know existed. I'll talk about how it boosts your career, earns you industry recognition, enhances your skills, and even expands your professional network. Think of it as a shiny badge that says, "Hire me, I'm awesome." Exam prep is like gearing up for a big game. You need the right equipment. I'll guide you through study materials, online platforms, and how to manage your schedule. Plus, group discussions. They're the secret sauce for deeper learning and extra laughs. Success isn't just about knowledge, it's about strategy too. Here, I'll share tips for managing time, staying calm, and reviewing concepts before and after the exam. And remember, post-exam reflections are like the victory dance after scoring a goal. We're at the finish line, folks. This slide wraps up all the major points, encourages you to take that next step, and gives you a motivational push forward. Think of it as your pep talk, short, sweet, and packed with positivity. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.